In this introduction to the UCSC Genome Browser, I describe what the browser is and what it can be used for. I also quickly take you through some example applications of the browser. Subsequent videos in this course will help you get started quickly and then guide you through many different applications that will accelerate your learning and research. The UCSC Genome Browser is an online and downloadable software package created by and hosted at the University of California, Santa Cruz, or UCSC. It is used as an interactive website offering access to genome sequence data from a variety of species, which is integrated with a large collection of aligned annotations. The browser is a web-based graphical interface that allows users to rapidly visualize, examine, query publicly available data at chromosomal scale through to base resolution. Today, the browser is used by geneticists, molecular biologists, and physicians, as well as students and educators, for access to genomic information. The UCSC browser accommodates genome sequences of 46 species, including all the sequence vertebrate species and selected invertebrates, for which high coverage genomic sequences are available. This table shows the species with full-featured genome browsers at UCSC. The large amount of data about biological systems that is accumulating in the literature makes it necessary to collect and digest information using the computing tools of bioinformatics. The datasets arising from deep sequencing of whole genome samples are large and difficult to visualize and compare. This is where a genome browser can help. The UCSC Genome Browser presents a diverse collection of annotation datasets, each of which are known as tracks, which are presented graphically. These include gene annotations and predictions, maps of DNA repeat elements, genomic alignments of a wide variety of RNA transcripts, profiles of epigenetic data including DNA and histone modifications, maps of replication timing, chromatin accessibility, and chromosomal structure, and disease association data representing the relationships of genes to diseases. The basic paradigm of the Genome Browser display is to show the genome sequence in the horizontal dimension and show graphical representations of the locations of the mRNAs, gene predictions, and etc. Blocks of color along the coordinate axis show the locations of alignments of the various data types. The ability to show this large variety of data types on a single coordinate axis makes the browser a handy tool for the vertical integration of publicly available and user-specific data. Presenting the data in a graphical format allows the browser to provide linked access to detailed information about any of the annotations. For example, the Gene Details page of the UCSC Genes track provides a large number of links to more specific information about the gene at many other data resources. One unique and useful feature that distinguishes the UCSC browser from other genome browsers is the continuously variable nature of the display. Sequences of any size can be displayed from a single base all the way up to an entire chromosome. For example, human chromosome 1 represents 245 million bases, or megabases, with full annotation tracks at that level. Researchers can display a single gene, a single exon, or an entire chromosome band, showing dozens or hundreds of genes, and any combination of the many annotations. A convenient drag and zoom feature allows the user to choose any region in the genome image and expand it to occupy the full screen. Researchers may also use the browser to display their own data via the Custom Tracks tool. This feature allows users to upload a file of their own data and view data in the context of the reference genome assembly. Any browser view created by a user, including those containing custom tracks, may be shared with other users via the Saved Sessions tool. There are 3 fully functional Genome Browser mirror sites that are maintained by UCSC. Genome.ucsc.edu is the original USA site, and that's hosted by the University of California, Santa Cruz. Genome-euro.ucsc.edu is the official European mirror hosted by the University of Bielefeld in Germany. I apologize if I've pronounced that wrong. Genome-asia.ucsc.edu is the official Asian mirror hosted by UCSC at Riken in Yokohama, Japan. The UCSC browser codebase is open source for non-commercial use and is mirrored locally by many research groups, allowing private display of their data in the context of public data. It may be worth searching for local mirrors that provide faster performance in your part of the world. Local mirror sites probably won't have all of the resources found on the official UCSC maintained sites, but they'll probably have everything you need. Some genome browser mirrors are also established to host the genomes of species other than those hosted by the official UCSC maintained sites. All of the genome browsers function in the same way, so this tutorial series is relevant to all of the UCSC Genome Browser sites. The following videos in this series will take you through the most common scenarios that you might use a genome browser for. The first video will orientate you with the display setup and the main navigation features. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. Do us a favour in return and click the like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you liked or what else you would like us to cover in the future. We have lots of other lectures, tutorials and interesting videos on the channel, so please browse our channel page and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.